To screencast your Realme 16 Pro 5G to your TV, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find Device Connect. After selecting it, we need to look for TV, click on it, and here search for Display Devices. Make sure to allow any permissions that will pop up. And then you should see this small window which will search for your TV. Now if your TV is detected, you can click on it, and that way you will start screencasting on it. If it's not detected, then make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi on your phone and your TV, and make sure that it's strictly the same Wi-Fi. If you're connected to the 5G Wi-Fi version of your Wi-Fi and on your phone, and then standard version on your TV, then it won't work. So you need to make sure that those two are the same Wi-Fi. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.